Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you're doing great. And guys, if you stumbled upon this video, you're likely curious about uTest and wondering if it's a legit way to make money testing softwares online. So stick around as I break it down for you. And guys, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description and watch the presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these automated systems as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And on this channel, I've explored various ways to make money online. Some are great and others are complete waste of time. Today, let's dig into uTest and figure out where it stands in the grand scheme of online money-making opportunities. So, is uTest legit? Absolutely yes. It's a legitimate testing website collaborating with numerous software companies. These companies pay uTest to have their websites, applications, and software tested for bugs. And here's where you come in. Anyone from anywhere globally can sign up as a uTest tester. Once you are in, complete your profile and head to their Academy section to learn the ropes of effective testing, from bugs reports to screen recording. It's very crucial to master these skills to become a successful uTester. Now, finding tests can happen in two ways. You may get email suitable tests based on your location and background, or you can log in and check the project board for available tests. But keep in mind, the number of tests you get depends on factors like location, experience, and client demand. The catch is, you won't be having projects available for tests daily. It varies based on your profile and demand. But if you are in a good location and put in the time, you'll likely get more opportunities. Now, let's talk money. uTest pays you for the bugs you find, and it's very simple. No bugs, no pay. The payout per bug ranges from $2 to $10, depending on the severity of this issue. So the harder the bug, the more you earn. And here is the deal. If someone else already reported the bug, no duplicate payments. You need to be the first to find it. Payouts are convenient through PayPal and Pioneer, and there's no minimum threshold. Even a few bucks can be withdrawn quickly. Reviews on Trustpilot are positive, with users praising the platform. Some mention it won't make you rich, but it's a good way to earn some extra cash. Reports of earning ranges from around $50 to $200 a month, with users sharing their experience of making around $100 over a month or two. So at last, I would like to conclude saying uTest is a legit platform where you can earn extra income by testing software. It won't make you rich, but it's a cool way to make some additional money. If you're looking for bigger income streams, then check out the first link in the description, get registered, and watch the presentation. And guys, as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars absolutely for free, right? So here, as you can see on the screen, there are 4 programs available. The first one is Launchpad Secrets, and this program would be helping you out to start your affiliate marketing journey. And finally, once you're done with this course, you'll come to learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate. And the second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically. So this program would be helping you out to grow on YouTube with the addition of affiliate marketing. The third program is Stash Show Method, and I'm selling this program on Digistore24 for $97. If in case you are into this group, then you can get this absolutely for free. And this program would be helping individuals to start their own dietary supplement business from comfort of their home. And the fourth program is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. If in case you are starting your own agency or doing some freelance work, you can make a deal for your first client more than $1,000. That's it guys. Here are 4 different programs for you to get started. And to get access, you can please visit the second link in the description, get registered, watch the 2 hours presentation. So once you're done with that, our team would be directly emailing you with all these bonuses with complete access to this bundle. Okay, everything will be mentioned on that email, so you can follow the process and get this bundle absolutely for free. And that's a wrap up for our uTest review as well as with the bonus. So if you decide to give it a shot, best of luck. And guys, hope you like this video. So if you want to know much more about making money online, subscribe to my channel for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.